What's up you guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to schedule an email in Gmail application on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And once you opened up your Gmail application, you need to tap there on Compose to start creating new email. So first write down there whom you want to send this email to. I'll start typing like that, and now I can select any recipient that I want or group of recipients. So now here I can attach add there some attachment, subject, main text of that email, and once I'm ready I need to tap on three dots icon, and there in the menu that appears select schedule send. And now there are a bunch of options like send it tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, tomorrow afternoon, Monday morning, or I can pick date and time by myself like that. I can simply set this date to June 14, and now I can easily change the time, and once I'm done I just tap save. And that's it. This message was scheduled to the specific time that I selected. That's how it works. I hope this video helped you out. Make sure you like this video. So before you go, please like and subscribe.